is there for empty. Students are saying chemical bonding. Tell me which chapter you want to revise. Yes, we will do the question after revising the chapter. So students are saying chemical bonding. Major students are saying chemical bonding. Okay, so let's start with chemical bonding. Okay, chemical bonding we have to start. फटाफट रिवाइज करते हैं, फिर we will do some question based on chemical bonding. चलो सब लोग फोकस करना है यहाँ पे. एवरीवन प्लीज फोकस. Chemical bonding. Daksha, what you are saying? No, Snail, we can't revise all the chapter in single day. I hope you can understand that. Okay, Daksha. Okay. Look here. So basically, bonding क्यों होता है? Tell me. Bonding is to gain stability. And if stability is more, energy is less, right? If stability is more, energy is less. After this, we have seen octet rule. Octet rule. That is, कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होने चाहिए? Tell me. It should has 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Okay? या तो शेयरिंग करके या तो ट्रांसफर करके. Then we had exception of octet rule. Exception of octet rule. First one, incomplete octet. Incomplete octet less than 8 electron, like BCl3. BCl3, okay, 6 electrons are there. or another example can be AlCl3, BeCl2, BCl2 or BF3. They are the example of incomplete octet, right? Second one, we did expanded octet. Expanded octet, more than 10 electron, like PCl5, 10 electron, or you can say H2SO4, IF7, SF6. They are the example of expanded octet. Next one we did odd electron molecule. Odd electron molecule, like NO. 1 electron here, 1 electron here, 3 are remaining. एक ऐसे बच गया, right? And you can say NO2, double bond O, 1 electron, second, third, fourth, 1 is remaining, odd. So this is odd electron molecule. After this we have done Lewis structure. Lewis structure. I have given an example of NO3 minus. NO3 minus, right? So you have to draw the structure like this. First you have to count valence electron. 5 plus 6 into 3 minus 1 plus 1, you will get 24. जिसकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कम है, you have to draw at center, other at surrounding. Draw a single bond. Complete the octet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have completed octet of surrounding atom. Now count total number of electrons you have drawn. We have drawn 24 electron. मान लो अगर we have drawn 22 electron, so remaining 2 we have to draw at central atom. But here we have drawn 24, so no need to draw any electron at central atom. Now complete octet of central atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 are remaining. तो किसी भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन को यहाँ से remove करो and make a bond and remove electron from here. Okay, so this is the structure of NO3. Total charge is -1. What about individual charge? Individual charge can be calculated by formal charge. Valence electron minus lone pair electron minus 1/2 bond pair electron. If this is first oxygen, second oxygen and third oxygen, and I want to calculate formal charge, so formal charge on first oxygen will be valence electron 6 minus lone pair 6 minus 1/2 bond pair 2. You will get -1. So charge on this oxygen is -1. Now second oxygen, formal charge on second oxygen will be equal to 6 minus 6 minus 1/2 2. You will get -1. So formal charge on second oxygen is also -1. Third oxygen, formal charge on third one, you will get 6 minus 4 minus 1/2 4. You will get 0. So formal charge on this oxygen is 0. Now central nitrogen, formal charge on nitrogen will be equal to 5 minus 0 minus 1 by 2, 8. You will get plus 1. So formal charge is plus 1 on nitrogen. By adding all the individual charges, you will get overall charge as minus 1, right? Is this clear? Yes, Daksha, they are waiting in. Okay, because they have not written their center name, actually. They have not written their center name. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Okay, next one. After this, we have done types of bonds. After these types of bonds, right? Please focus. Types of bonds. First, we have done ionic bonds. Ionic bonds. So look here. Ionic bond is formed by transfer of electron, right? Transfer of electron. Suppose we have yes, Gaurav, right, CSIT. We have Na has 281 and we have Cl 287. तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर होगा, राइट? One electron will get transferred to Cl and this will get converted to Na plus and Cl minus. They will combine to form NaCl solid. NaCl solid plus they will release lattice energy, right? After this, we have done covalent bond. Covalent bond, that is by equal sharing of electron. Equal sharing of electron. Equal sharing of electron. Like HOH. यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन का, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हाइड्रोजन का, एक ऑक्सीजन एक हाइड्रोजन, राइट? So there is equal sharing of electron. Are you getting? there is equal sharing of electron, right? So this is covalent bond. After this, we have done types of covalent bond. That is polar covalent and we have done non-polar covalent. Non-polar कोवेलेंट इसको हमने डिटेल में किया था इन डायपोल मोमेंट. पोलार में भी HCl, H2O, NH3, नॉन पोलार में भी CO2, BCl3, Cl2, H2 like this. Okay. After this we have done coordinate bonding. Coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. जहां पे क्या होती है, टेल मी, अनइक्वल शेयरिंग. Unequal sharing, right? Suppose this is N, H, H, H. It has one lone pair and BF3 is approaching towards it. It is incomplete octet. It will share both the electron with boron. So only one atom is sharing both the electron. So this is unequal sharing. So this is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is also found in NH4 plus, or you can see S3O plus, right? Is this clear? After this, we have done valence bond theory. According to valence bond, atomic orbital overlap, right? Suppose this is S orbital, this is S orbital, this is having one electron with clockwise, this is having one electron with anti-clockwise. They will overlap, right? They will overlap to form a covalent bond like this. Example can be H2. Next one can be PP overlap. One p orbital plus second p orbital. It is having with anti-clock. This is with clock. They will overlap, right? They will overlap to form a covalent bond. Example can be F2 molecule. Next one we can have sp overlap. This is s orbital with clockwise spin, p orbital with anti-clockwise spin. You will get sp, right? This is sp. Example can be HF molecule. After this, we have seen limitations of VBT. Limitations of VBT, valence bond theory. First, take the example of we can take the example of you can say beryllium. So according to VBT उतने बॉन्ड फॉर्म होते हैं जितना अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है, right? So 1s2. Here you can say unpaired electron is 0. So according to VBT, bond form should be 0, but it forms 2 bond. You can see in BaCl2. That can be explained only on the basis of hybridization, right? This can be explained only on the basis of hybridization. Next one, you can take boron. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Bond form can be 1 according to VBT, but it forms 3 bonds, which can be explained by hybridization. You can take carbon as well, 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2 bonds should be formed, but it forms 4 bonds, which can be explained by hybridization. Is this clear? Is this clear? Tell me. So next exception you can take example of ammonia molecule and its bond angle. If I am taking nitrogen, this is Py, Px, and this is Pz, right? And there will be 3 hydrogen overlapping, 1, 2, and this is third one. Here you will have bond angle between this orbital, x and y axis or y and z axis will be 90 degree. This bond angle is 90 degree according to valence bond theory, but actual bond angle is approximately 107 degree, right? We have done this. Is this clear? Tell me. Bond angle is 90 degree according to valence bond theory, but according to hybridization, we will see that bond angle is 107 degree, which can be explained by hybridization. Next one, we started with hybridization. Hybridization. That is mixing and recasting of atomic orbital to form equal number of new hybrid orbital. And shape of hybrid orbital is like this. This is hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. हमने कौन-कौन से किए थे hybridization? Tell me. We have done sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, and sp3d3, right? Hybrid orbital can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Percentage character can be, tell me, percentage S character. Here it is 50%, 33.33%. Here you will have 25%, right? आगे भी आप निकाल सकते हो ऐसे ही. I hope you are getting. Now, how to calculate number of hybrid orbital? Number of hybrid orbital will be equal to number of sigma bond plus lone pair, right? Number of sigma bond plus lone pair. In any bond, you can say at least and maximum 1 sigma bond is there, right? In any bond, at least and maximum 1 sigma bond is there. If any bond is having single bond, then it is sigma bond, 1 sigma, double bond, 1 sigma, 1 pi, triple bond, 1 sigma, 2 pi, right? मतलब एक sigma bond तो रहेगा, बाकी other is pi bonds. Example, CH4, 4 sigma, 0 lone pair equal to 4, you will get sp3, H2O, 2 sigma, 2 lone pair, you will get 4, that is sp3, right? Is this clear? One more example you can see like PCl5. that is 5 sigma, 0 lone pair, you will get 5, that is sp3d. Okay. After this, we have started with VSEPR theory. We have started with VSEPR theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. According to this, we have seen lone pair का repulsion is maximum. Then lone pair bond pair, and least repulsion is between bond pair and bond pair, right? Then we have seen geometry and of some molecules. Like you can say sp के case अगर we will discuss, so it will be like this: 2 sigma bond, 120 degree, linear, right? Or we can have 1 lone pair, 1 sigma bond, that is also linear. This is for sp. Next one, we can take sp2 as well. First case, 3 sigma bond at 120 degree. This is trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. Next case we can discuss 1 lone pair, 2 sigma bond, that is V shape, bent shape or angular shape, right? Then we have discussed sp3, 4 sigma bond like this, that is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral, bond angle is 109 degree, 28 minutes. Next one, 1 lone pair like this. We have pyramidal, like ammonia, NH3, 3 sigma bond, 1 lone pair. Next one, 2 lone pair. This is V, bent or angular again. This is, you can say the example is H2O, 2 sigma bond, 2 lone pair. Next one we have done sp3d. First case is 5 sigma bond. This is 5 sigma bond. This is 90 degree and this is 120 degree. Trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal, right? Trigonal pyramidal. After this, we have discussed 1 lone pair, 4 sigma bond. This is seesaw. Then 2 lone pair, 3 sigma bond. You can say T shape or you can say arrow shape. Next one, sp3, D2, 6 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, that is octahedral. Octahedral, all the theta, that is bond angle at 90 degree. Next, we have to put 1 lone pair. Bond angle is not equal to 90 degree. Shape is square, pyramidal. Two sigma bond, 4 sigma bond, 2 lone pair. Bond angle is again 90 degree. This is known as square planar, right? Then we have discussed last one, sp3, D3. We have discussed only 2 cases here. First one, 7 sigma bond, 0 lone pair. Like this. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 72 degree. This is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal, right? Pentagonal bipyramidal. And with one lone pair of 6 sigma bond, it will look like this. This is distorted octahedral, or you can say capped octahedral. Capped octahedral. Okay? Tell me, इतना clear है सबको? Is this clear? Is this clear to you? Tell me. Okay. After this, we have done bond angle comparison, which is not very much important for the FB session. Just remember the simple bond length angle comparison like SP, SP2, SP2, SP3, right? 109, 120, 180, like the simple wala. You have to just remember that. Then we have to see, we have done hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. There are two types of hydrogen bonding. They are intermolecular and intramolecular. Intermolecular and you can say intramolecular, right? Next one is intramolecular. Inter means between the molecule, intra means within the molecule, right? Inter is like H, F, we have H, F. Wait a second. Please wait, I will share again. Okay. So look here, intermolecular we have HF or HF, right? Here this is del minus, del plus, and this attraction is known as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Or other example can be H2O or ammonia, right? Intramolecular we have like this, OH and NO2. इनके बीच में जो attraction है, that is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And this is known as, name is ortho nitrophenol. ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनॉल में इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, राइट? Is this clear? Orthonitrophenol has intramolecular hydrogen bonding. After this, we have seen dipole moment. Dipole moment. Here we have dealt that if HCl is like this, and bond distance is d, charge is del plus, delta minus, then dipole moment mu will be equal to magnitude of charge into distance. Unit is d by. Dipole moment is a vector quantity, right? Is a vector quantity. Is a vector quantity, right? Suppose I want to, one more point, if dipole moment is 0, molecule is non-polar. If dipole moment is not 0, then molecule is polar, right? Like if you want to check in BCl3 whether it is polar or not, I will draw towards more electronegative atom like this. So resultant vector will be 0. So this is non-polar. I hope you are getting. If I want to check for CO2, draw this linear structure, the actual structure. This is vector addition will be 0. So mu equal to 0. So non-polar, right? Is this clear to you all? So this is all about chemical bonding, right? Any doubt to anyone related to chemical bonding? Tell me. Or all the things are clear? Please reply. Yes, Tanmay, raise your hand and tell me your doubt. Yes, ionic compounds are formed because of electrostatic attraction. Yes, Tanmay, tell me क्या doubt है? Tanmay.
Yes, sir. Can you please explain the dipole moment again?
Dipole moment is basically charge into distance, bond length. जो magnitude of charge है और जो bond length का distance है, that is known as dipole moment. And it is a vector quantity. अगर dipole moment is 0, then molecule is non-polar. If dipole moment is not 0, then molecule is polar. Suppose I want to compare whether dipole moment is 0 or not for BCl3. Draw the arrow towards more electronegative atom. And you know 3 vectors at 120 degree get nullified, right?
Yes, sir.
So net vector addition will be 0, so molecule is non-polar. Similar in the case of CO2, you have to draw the actual structure by using hybridization VSEPR. Then you will come to know both vectors are in opposite direction with equal magnitude. So dipole moment is 0, so there is also non-polar.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Tell me, is this clear to everyone now? किसी को कोई doubt? सबको केमिकल बॉन्डिंग पूरा क्लियर है? टेल मी. Now we will do some questions. Yes, d by is the unit of dipole moment. Let's solve some questions based on chemical bonding. Please solve. Question 1. Shape of tell me shape of IF6 minus. Tell me the shape. Everyone please try this and tell me the shape of IF6 minus. Tanmay, when cation and anion combine to form solid ionic compound, energy released is known as lattice energy. Please tell me the shape of IF6 minus. Everyone please tell me shape of IF6 minus. Ahan, your answer is wrong. Sneha, you have to tell me shape, not hybridization. Shiv Gupta, your answer is wrong. Anurag, your answer is wrong. Yes, Neha Singh, very good. Sneha Singh, your answer is correct. Tanmay, answer is wrong. Sorry, your answer is wrong. Daksha, answer is wrong. Divyan's answer is wrong. Yes, Anurag, now it is correct. Very good. Prajna, your answer is wrong. Abhishek, answer is wrong. Anjali, wrong. Sonak, wrong answer. Gaurav, wrong answer. Sorry, wrong answer. Ankita, your answer is wrong. Yes, Abhinav, very good. Answer is correct. Yes, Kunal, now it is correct. Pranay, are you searching on internet? Pranav, sorry. Divyansh, your answer is correct. Shiv Gupta, correct. Please don't search on net. मैंने नेट पे मैंने कोई ऐसा नाम बताया ही नहीं है जैसा आप दे रहे हो. अभिषेक, do it by your own. गूगल पे सर्च मत करो प्लीज. यस, तन्मय, इट इज करेक्ट. अभिषेक, इट इज करेक्ट. Anandita, it is correct. Daksha, your answer is wrong. Tanmay, wrong. Gaurav, wrong. Arpita, your answer is wrong. Tanmay, wrong. Abhishek Khade, your answer is right, beta. Yes, Prajna, very good. Your answer is correct. Nishant, wrong. Piyush, right. Ahan, wrong. Yes, Gaurav, correct. Sonak, answer is wrong. Yes, Arpita, now it is correct. Very good. Sonak, correct. Gaurav, tell me the geometry. Daksha, your answer is wrong. Pranoy, it is correct. Very good. Nishant, your answer is wrong. Yes, Bhagyasri, correct. Very good. Should I tell you now? Yes, Anjali, now it is correct. Please do this. Yes, Tanmay, now it is correct. Ahan, your answer is wrong. Ahan, wrong. Okay, let me tell you now. Look here. I have 6 minus, right? So here iodine has formed 6 bond with fluorine. Six bond with fluorine. iodine has 7 electrons in outermost cell, right? 1 is involved here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is remaining as it is, and it has 1 minus charge. So you have to add 1 electron, 1 more. It will get 1 paired. So 6 sigma bond, 1 lone pair equal to 7. This is the case of distorted octahedral. Distorted octahedral, or you can say capped octahedral, right? Capped octahedral. Is this clear to you all? Tell me. सबको clear है अभी? Okay, now next is solve next one. Question 2. Calculate formal charge on central oxygen of O3. Tell me everyone, please try this. Calculate formal charge on central oxygen of O3. Please try this. Bhagesri, your answer is wrong. Piyush, your answer is wrong. Rest all are correct. Yes, you all are correct. मैक्सिमम सीयू अभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं करने हैं कि किसमें हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है किसमें नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आएगा फाइंड आउट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. दैट्स इट. Yes, yes, Bhagasri, now it is correct. So look here. I will tell you the answer. Correct answer for this one is +1. Correct answer is +1. Oxygen double bond O, single bond O, 1 lone pair, right? So formal charge will be equal to 6 minus 2 minus 1/2, 4. Sorry, 6. 1/2, 6. You will get +1, right? Is this clear to you all? Tell me. Is this clear? Okay. Next question. Compare bond angle between BCl3 and CO2. Tell me which one is larger, which one is smaller. Tell me bond angle BCl3 and CO2. Yes, you right. Very good. Which one is larger? Tell me. Which one is larger? Yes, Tanmay, right. Abhinav, correct. Yes, Neha, very good. Yes, Nishant, right. Yes, Pranav, right. Yes, Anurag, correct. Saunak, your answer is wrong. Piyush, correct. Saunak, check your answer once again. Divyansh, your answer is correct. Gaurav, it is BCl3, not PCl5. Yes, Abhishek, very good, correct. Bhagasri, correct. Yes, Arpita, right. Prajna, your answer is wrong. Anjali, your answer is wrong. Yes, Tanmay, correct. Anandita, correct. Tanmay, correct. Yes, Tanmay, correct. Rishikesh, wrong answer. Gaurav, correct. Yes, Anjali, now it is correct. Prajna, what about you? Yes, Devanshi, right. Yes, Sonak, that is correct. Yes, Prajna, now it is correct. Yes, Daksha, correct. Now look here. Here hybridization will be sp2, right? So bond angle is 120 degree. Hybridization is sp. So bond angle is 180 degree, right? It's simple. Is it clear? Is it clear? Tell me. Next one. PCl5 exists having more than 8 electron because, tell me the reason why PCl5 exists. Tell me the reason why PCl5 exists having more than 8 electron. How it can have more than 8 electron? Yes, Daksha, very good. Yes, Daksha, right. क्या रीजन दे रहे हो? कुछ भी. एक्सपांडेड ऑक्टेट है, लेकिन क्यों किया एक्सपांड उसने ऑक्टेट? Why expanded octet is not possible in the case of NCl5? You have to give me the reason. How it can expand its octet? No, Pranav, wrong. Yes, Piyush, right. तन्मय वो क्या बोल रहे हो? Anurag, what you are saying? Tell me how PCL5 is getting formed. But why this is possible? Why NCL5 is not getting formed? Yes, Nishant, right. No, Abhishek, your answer is wrong. Yes, Neha, right. Yes, Tanmay, right. I'm not asking hybridization. Look here, because PCL5 has, you can say vacant d orbital, right? Whereas NCl5 doesn't exist because no vacant d orbital in valence cell. NCl5 exist नहीं करता, right? Is this clear? Tell me. Is this clear? I hope सबको clear है, right? So NCl5 doesn't exist because of no d orbital in valence cell, right? I think सबको clear है वाला point. Try one more. Tell me number of sigma and pi bond in CS3CN. Tell me number of sigma and pi bond in CS3CN. Please tell me. Yes, Neha, very good. Answer is correct. Yes, Arpita, right. Yes, sorry, very good. Yes, Nishant, right. Yes, Anurag, correct. Tanmay, correct. Shiv Gupta, your answer is wrong. Husi, correct. Yes, Tanmay, correct. Divyans, tell me pi bond as well. Varun, wrong. Prasna, wrong. Daksha, correct. Pranav, correct. Sonak, correct. Gaurav, correct. Yes, Abhinav, right. Bhagyasri, correct. Shiv Gupta, you are right. Yes, Devans, right. Yes, Abhishek, right. Everyone, please tell me the answer. Yes, Devanshi, correct. Yes, Prajna, correct. Yes, Anjali, correct. Varun, correct. Everyone, please try this. Kunal, correct. Piyush, correct. Anyone left? किसी ने अभी भी नहीं किया है क्या? Tell me. Please try this. Okay, I hope everyone has done. Look here, CS3, CN. I will draw this structure first. You will have C, H, 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 C, triple bond N. Sigma, 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 1 sigma, 2 pi. So total 5 sigma bond, 2 pi bond, right? Is this clear? Okay. Okay. Question 6. Which types of bonding are present in NH4Cl? Tell me, कितने टाइप के बॉन्ड हैं? आयोनिक, कोऑर्डिनेट, कोवेलेंट, कौन कौन से हैं बताओ जरा. ओके, अनन्या करेक्ट, स्नेहा करेक्ट, खुशी करेक्ट, कुणाल करेक्ट, अर्पिता करेक्ट, यस स्नेहा करेक्ट, तन्मय करेक्ट. तन्मय यू आर रॉन्ग. शिव गुप्ता रॉन्ग, देवांश रॉन्ग, अभिनव रॉन्ग, वरुण रॉन्ग, यस सौनभ करेक्ट, तन्मय रॉन्ग, निशांत रॉन्ग, यस पीयूष राइट, दक्षा रॉन्ग, शिव गुप्ता रॉन्ग, यस सौर्य करेक्ट, यस अनुराग करेक्ट, अंजलि रॉन्ग, निशांत रॉन्ग, यस प्रजना वेरी गुड करेक्ट, यस देवांशी राइट, आनंदिता वेरी गुड, वरुण करेक्ट, यस अंजलि राइट, तन्मय रॉन्ग, गौरव रॉन्ग, अभिषेक रॉन्ग. कर लिया सबने अभी? Should I tell you now? Animesh wrong. Please tell me. Okay, now please focus. NH4Cl, right? So it is NH4 plus and Cl minus. So there is ionic bonding, correct? आयनिक बॉन्डिंग तो है यहाँ पे. और NH4 plus की अगर मैं बात करूं, so it has covalent bond as well as ionic bond. So इसमें कितने बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है बताओ? It has ionic, covalent and coordinate. बोलो अभी क्लियर है? Tell me, is this clear? Is this clear now? Tell me. भाग्यश्री कोवेलेंट देख लो बेटा, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है वाली बॉन्डिंग भाग्यश्री. These three are covalent bond, right? भाग्यश्री, is this clear? जो मैंने एरो में ड्रॉ किया है दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. गौरव, दिस इज कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड ना, एरो टाइप में ड्रॉ किया है जो. अभी सबको क्लियर है? टेल मी. Okay, try one more similar one. Tell me bonding in, types of bond in NaOH. Tell me types of bonds in NaOH. Please tell me types of bond in NaOH. No Tanmay wrong. Sneha Singh correct. Shiv Gupta correct. Khushi correct. Saurya correct. Abhinav correct. Gaurav wrong. Anandita right. Abhishek right. Tanmay correct. Daksha right. Anurag correct. Tanmay right. Anjali correct. Varun right. Very good. Pranav correct. Okay, Piyush right. Divyans right. You all are getting correct answer. Very good. Yes, Devanshi correct. Animesh correct. Yes, Devanshi, very good, correct. I hope you understood now, right? Yes, Gaurav, correct. Bhagyasri, correct. Yes, Prasanna, right. I hope you understood here because it has Na plus NOS minus. So ionic bonding, NOS में कौन सी bonding है? Covalent, right? So ionic and covalent. Ionic and covalent. Clear है सबको? Okay. So इस बार का टारगेट सुन लो सब लोग, कितना है हमारा? Our target for MT1 is 100 plus. Target for MT1 is 100 plus in chemistry. There will be 30 questions plus 4 minus 1, so 120 marks for chemistry, right? Our target is 100 plus. अगर फुल भी स्कोर किया तो मुझे बुरा नहीं लगेगा. Please try to achieve the target. You can score full if you want. तुम्हारी मर्जी. Prepare all the chapter very well. Go through all the concept. Conceptual thing को बहुत अच्छे से करो. रट्टाफिकेशन बहुत कम चाहिए मुझे. सारे concept clear करो. Go through recording. Solve the module question, and you will surely achieve the target. Now anything, any topic जो तुम्हें discuss करना है, कोई doubt है, tell me. Any topic, any concept which you want to discuss. Any doubt, anyone tell me related to major test 1. Any doubt, anyone related to major test 1, please tell me. Do very well for your MT. Log tables will not be allowed. You have to remember value of log 2, log 3 and log 5. Please remember that value. नहीं स्नेहा, चैप्टर का वेटेज ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You have to prepare every chapter. Please remember log 2, log 3 and log 5 values for PS calculation. Any doubt, tell me. Do you want to discuss something? I hope each and every student will achieve the target. Yes, this is the last lecture for today. You don't have third lecture because of IPM exam. Tanmay, we will let you know. Tell me anything which you want to discuss. Yes, if you don't have any doubt, you can leave. One numerical on pH. Ananya, देख लो. Suppose it is asking calculate pH of 0.2 molar HCl, right? So you have to apply the formula pH equal to negative log of 0.2. You will get negative log 0.2, sorry, that is 1 minus log 2, that is 1 minus 0.3, you will get 0.7, that is the pH. Ananya, I hope you are getting. For detail, you can refer the previous lecture recording as well as notes. Tell me, you want to discuss something, any doubt? If you have any doubt, please discuss. Log 2 equal to 0.3010, right? Yes, Rishikesh, right? Okay, bye everyone. I think you don't have any doubt.